Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got a beautiful bag to show you. It is one of the most sought after, one of the most recognised bags. It's just kind of like the epitome of all designer bags and all Hermès. So this is an Hermès Birkin in the size 35, and it's just beautiful. It's in this gorgeous grained Togo leather, which feels really lovely, and it gives it a nice kind of almost relaxed shape. It is really beautiful. It's just everything about it is just Hermès. It's got that gorgeous clean lines and shape, beautiful leather, just a stunning bag. So we have got double top handles, and then we've got 4 base studs along the bottom. We have a flap closure, and you can see that's got that turn lock belt fasten on it. And if I show you right up close, you can see that Hermès Paris just sitting on that belt fasten there. So I will undo this and open it up so you can see inside. So they just slip off of there, and you can see this one slips off of there too. And you just pull it out of that little belt loop. And then you can see also attached to these double top handles, we have that cloche, that removable cloche, and that has that Hermès padlock, as well as those 2 Hermès keys in there as well. So I'll open this up. It just slips off all of those little loops, and then you can open it up just like that. And then you can also wear it, you can kind of tuck that flap closure in, and as well as having it as kind of a fastened bag like that, you can also wear it as more of an open tote with these belts as little accessories like that too, which is a bit more of a casual, relaxed shape. And then inside it's super nice and simple. We've got beautiful leather again on the inside, and then we just have one zipped pocket just here. So that is a zip pocket just there. That zip works beautifully. And then we have one flat pocket just here as well. And we've got a tag in there, I'll just pop that out. But it's just beautiful. And I'll show you where the date stamp is. So it's embossed into the leather on the side gussets. I think it might be on this side. So you can see just up there, you can see just where that embossing into the leather is. So that is the date stamp. The date stamp for this one is X. It begins with X with no surrounding shape. So this Birkin is from 2016. It's in a beautiful condition. We've called the exterior very good. There is pretty much no wear to the leather. There is just a little bit. It's showing a small bit of wear to the corners. So you can see on this corner just here, there's a little bit of a scuff just there, a really small little scuff. And then the other corners are showing, again, slight signs of wear. And then there is the slightest bit of wear to the handles as well. So you can see where that little small lighter bit is on the leather trim. So it is literally minuscule signs of wear. So that's why we've called the exterior very good, and so close to being excellent. The interior we've called very good. Again, minimal wear in there. There's just a couple of signs of wear on the leather. So if I turn it around so you can see this flat pocket, you can see areas such as that. There's a little lighter mark on there. But other than that, we've got a little mark just here. And other than that, it is gorgeous inside, really nice condition. The hardware we've called very good again. It's mostly due to these base studs. They have got some scratching to them. But they're designed to take the brunt of things, to take the wear, so they'll have a little bit of scratching to them. But most of that other hardware is gorgeous. There's a little bit of scratching on this little belt fasten here, really kind of hairline scratching on there. But you can see this padlock and those keys and all that hardware here, this turn lock is just beautiful. That's all in a really nice condition. So it is a beautiful bag in a beautiful condition. I'll show you what it comes with. So we have a generic bag liner, super useful. You can pop it in there. It keeps the bag shaped really nicely. It just means it keeps nice and clean on the interior as well. And then we also have an Hermès dust bag, as well as the kind of iconic orange Hermès box too. So that is everything that it comes with. We also have that Hermès padlock and keys, which I've already shown you, attached to that cloche on the handles. If you'd like to know the exact measurements of it, it is the Birkin 35, but the exact measurements are going to be on our website. So the easiest way to get to those details is to click the link in the description below. That link is the link to shop this exact Hermès on Armcandybagco.com. So if you've been looking out for a beautiful bag like this one, get down there, get onto that link and have a look at it on our website. If that link doesn't take you directly to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that doesn't mean it has sold. But if you've seen it here and you've fallen in love with it, it is a beautiful bag, but it's already sold by the time you get to our website. Just let us know and we'll get you on our request list. We'll get you on a request list for an Hermès Birkin, and then as soon as we have another one, we'll send you through an email with the link to shop, and you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly next time. So that is the request list. As I said, exact measurements are going to be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and I'm 5'4", and you can just pop it on your arm like that, really show off such a beautiful bag. It's just so gorgeous. Really, really nice, got loads of nice room in there, and it's just a beautiful shape. And I do really like it in this leather as well. I think it does have a bit more of a relaxed, almost casual look to it, while still having that gorgeous, sophisticated Hermès vibe to it as well. So get to the link in the description below, have a look at this beautiful bag on our website, have a browse through all of our other beautiful Armcandy too, sign up to our newsletter while you're on there. If you sign up to our newsletter, we'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. If you're interested in selling any of your designer bags, we have a page, how to sell with us, on our website, so have a look on there. We'd love to see your beautiful pre-loved Armcandy, so get onto that page and have a read through that process. And don't forget, while you're here, to like this video, subscribe to our channel. We have so much gorgeous bags coming for you in the next few weeks, so hit that alert button and we'll be back with you very soon.